Good morning, everyone. It is March 31st, the last day in March. This has been a long, difficult month. I am really happy it is over. Hopefully, April will be better. So let's take a look at our patterns. We know it goes 4 analog, 1 digital, 30 minutes, hour, and then the colors. So make a prediction for this marker. It was just 7 o'clock. It has to go 1 hour more. So what's 1 hour past 7 o'clock? 8 o'clock. And if it's an analog clock that says 8 o'clock, the little hand, which is the hour hand, will be on the 8. And the minute hand, which is the bigger hand, will be on the 12. When the minute hand is on the 12, it's an o'clock time. Remember, we break clocks into quarters. And we usually estimate like quarter past, half past, quarter of, and then the hour it is. Let's take a look at any diagonal patterns. If you can see this well enough, you'll notice our red, yellow, green, brown can also be seen diagonally. Red, yellow, green, brown. Usually there are more diagonal patterns with our number corner, but this one doesn't have as many. I think next month's will be a little easier. All right, now let's go to our poems. This could be the last time we read these. Ready? Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. I hope you're yelling that at home. You're definitely not, though. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. We actually did these poems in September, so everyone has them memorized. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Here's the dime. Bing. Here's the penny. Bing. Here's the nickel. Bing. All right. And our days in school. It's the 127th day. Let's see my equation. And I'm going to do one more thing after this because I wanted to review something quickly. So 127 equals, let's see. Can you fill in the number? What number has to go next? 127 is the same as 27 plus 90 plus what? Well, I know I got to make that 100. What goes with 90 to make 100? 10! You got it. There's my equation. And now, let's see if I can make myself bigger. Whoa. My hair is getting long. All right. Is that as big as I can make myself? Review. We need to review our 3-dimensional shapes. Are you ready? Because you will be asked to do, I think, a 3D shape hunt. You might have already done it for homework. I apologize. You can just do it again. You are all so good at 3-dimensional shapes. What do we call this shape? A rectangle. No, 3-dimensional. What's the difference between 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional? 2-dimensional's flat. 3-dimensional's not. So don't say rectangle, although it does have rectangular faces. This is a rectangular prism. Remember that. Next shape. All right. This one, it's like a barrel. Looks like a barrel. What do we call this shape? 2 faces, 2 edges. Remember, that's how we describe 3-dimensional shapes. We don't look at the sides. We look at what we call faces, but it's kind of like the sides of a 2-dimensional shape. So this is a cylinder, and we all know that. Here we go. What do we call this shape? It has square faces. It's similar to a rectangular prism. It has 6 of them, 6 faces. It's like a die. This is a cube. I know we all know that. You're probably like, okay, I already know all this stuff. And I know you do, but I'm just refreshing your memory. This is my birthday hat that I wear. Nope. What do we call this? A cone. And it comes to 1 point. And we call that a vertice, a vertex. 1 edge. Not edge. Yeah, 1 edge, 1 face. And then we have a ball. What's another word for it? Sphere. This has 0 faces, 0 edges, 0 vertices. What do we call this? We find them in Egypt. This is a square-based pyramid. And lastly, we have our doorstop, triangular prism. Now, cylinder, rectangular prism, cube, sphere, cone, triangular prism, pyramid. Those are your 3-dimensional shapes. Remember, 2-dimensional is flat, 3-dimensional is not. Good luck, happy shape hunting, and I will talk to you soon.